Attendance is not so good. So please recollect this diagram, and we had studied till Z minus one. We are discussing this now. So this was the block which was added in the beginning. That was G28, G91. So this is a reference written. That is, the machine will go to the reference point or the home point or the home position M06 and T01. So T01 is nothing but the tool number one. And this is G54 is the offset. G64 you can delete, it is not required. G64. G90 is absolute. G17 is your plane selection, that is XY, and then X minus 20, Y minus 20. So that is your year minus 20 and minus 20 and Z50. Now you are starting the spindle here M03S450, and this is feed is 250. This feed 250 it will not take, so that's an error. This is what you have to study. Hmm. Because if
Sir,
you are giving F250, you need to start the spindle first. Hmm. The C0 is nothing but the rotary table. In case if you have rotary table, then that rotary table orientation, that is what is your C0 is. Now Z5. So by default it will
hello,
move
sir.
rapidly. So from 50 to 5. Hello?
Sir, Shubham is trying to enter.
Yeah. All right. Hmm. So M03S450. Now this is the tool number one, and its offset or its data, that is diameter and length, is given in D01. Then C0, that is nothing but your rotatable orientation, that is rotatable will come to the 0 degree. Then this is by default, see G00 is already active. So by default it will be G0, Z5. G94 is nothing but millimeter per minute feed rate. Then since you already started the spindle, now it will take the feed rate. So this is Z from Z5 to Z0, it will move in feed at 100. Right? Now we are positioning the cutter at minus 20 here. And what is the diameter? 12.5 millimeters. So there is a sufficient space. It is not going to bang on the workpiece. It is not going to bang on the workpiece because center line is 2020 and this diameter is 12.5. So that means half half the radius is 6.25. So even if you take 20, so we will go for this 30 mm. Hmm? 30 mm. So from the center line it will be 15. So there is a clearance of 5 mm because we are going down at minus 20 minus 20 and this is 30 mm. So from the center line it will be 15 15. So there will be a gap of 5 mm. So it is safe to move the cutter down. So now G42 X0Y0. So now from here it will go to this X0Y0. G42 is nothing but the diameter offset. So it will offset accordingly. It will offset accordingly. The center line will not go here. it is going to offset because we are giving G42. We are using G42. Then it will go to X60 Y0. So this is what we had discussed yesterday, and we had come till here. Hmm. So there was one block was missing. So now from here, the cutting will happen like this. Then it will go to this. Okay. Then it will go here, and then from here it will be counterclockwise. So counterclockwise is this. That is G03. You have to give the endpoints. Endpoints are X70, Y65. So that is this X70 and Y65. That is from here. That is this Y70. And the radius is 15. So either you can give U15 or you can give R15 also. Depends upon the control. Then from here it will go to G01. That is this point. So here it will be G01 X45. Now why you did not give? Because it will take it as Y65. That is this Y65 it will take, and then again G02. Now this, now look, now this is your clockwise, isn't it? It's going to cut like this. So this is your clockwise movement, CW. Hmm? So that will be G02. So that will be G02, and you have to give the endpoint. So endpoint is this. Now what is this point? X30, and in Y direction it will be Y65. So G02 and X30 and Y50. How come this, yeah, sorry, this is Y65 and this is Y50. So this is Y50, that is this. So endpoint of this is X30. So that's why you have to look, you have to see the drawing carefully. So this is X30 and Y is 50 and this point is 30. Actually एकदम चिपक के आ गए, that's why there is it is slightly confusing. But this point is X30 and then Y50. Then यहाँ से it will go straight. So it will be G01 Y50 need not give. X10 you have to give. So it will be G01, simply you can write X10. And then from here it will come to X0 Y0. So two more commands. So now G01 X10 Y50 you did not give. Even if you give, it is safe. Then X0 Y0. Again, no need to give G01 because it's a model command. And you need to cancel G40, that offset what you are given, you need to cancel. So G40 is nothing but the cancellation of the offset, and it will come to original point -20, that is start point, and minus, and then here from here you can lift it rapidly. So G00 Z50, and then M09 is nothing but the coolant stop, and then you can take it to the reference position. Now Z50 is above the workpiece. Always ensure that you lift the tool, you lift the tool above the workpiece. So G00 Z50, and then here you can use again the same command, that is first you can cancel, you can stop the spindle. So you can say here M05, you can enter M05 here. Even if you don't give the block number, that is also fine. So M05 is the spindle stop, and then you can take it to the reference point. The reference point is given by G28, G91, X0, Y0, Z0. So I'll just copy from here. G20, Control C. So I can write it here also, M05 also, because that is allowed. So M05, G28, G91, X0, Y0, Z0. Hmm. So in this, it will happen, spindle is going to stop. At the same time, the cutter will go to its home position. G28 means return to the reference point, and it is always associated with G91. Hmm. And then this block is not required. So what I will say, I will कंट्रोल एक्स और मैं यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ and then M30. So M30 is nothing but the reset and rewind. Means the cursor will go over here to the first block, hmm? And then subsequently next workpiece. So it will run now. So again, so now here it is always better that you cancel all the commands. So first block should be, now this is reference return and this is tool change. Now it is good practice that you cancel the can cycle if it is active. So you say G80. This is a good practice, G80. Then you also say G40 is offset cancellation. Okay, this, and then you say G90. This is important. In the first block, always say G80, that is can cycle cancellations if it is active. Then G40, that is offset cancellation, and G90. This has to be there in the first block. So G90 is absolute. So by chance, if by mistakes, if you forget to cancel the offsets here, and if you are still into the incremental mode, that is G91, moment it reads the first block, it goes into the absolute. So this is very important. Always use always use G00, G80, G40, G54, G90, and G70, and then you can have enter here, and you, so this is the standard block. Okay. And then you can move here x minus 20 wherever you want, and then you can start the spindle. Now let us go for the next example. Now here you have profile milling as well as you have drilling also. Just have a look here. So I hope you have gone through the points and the dimensions. In addition to the profile milling, there are three holes to be drilled here in this component. External milling, of course. And remember, here you have to finish the component only in one cut. But in practice, that is practically it won't be possible. Practically, you will be machining it from a rectangular block. So you will have to take a series of cut. But if you do like that, then it will take a lot of time to write the program. Hmm. So we understand that. So what you have to do, you have to assume that the raw material is as per this shape only, with an allowance of 1 or 2 mm. The stock or the machining allowance is 2 mm. You can assume that it is a casting or it is a forging, approximately to this shape. You can also assume, you can state this assumption that there is a stock of 2 millimeter on the profile. Then second assumption you can write that bottom surface is machine. Third assumption you can say that top surface is machine. And we are writing the program for external milling and for the drilling. So the first step is to prepare a table, and of course before that program 0 point. So if you notice here in this case now, you can have your program 0 point here because all the dimensions are given from here. So this is 10, hmm, 70, 10. If anything is missing, you can assume it. Four, four, four. Okay, so you have a chamfer, you have a taper here, you have this holes, and you have this arc. Now this arc will, suppose if you are going, see, if you are going to do machining like this, that means if your cutter is going to do machining like this, then this is your clockwise interpolation. So that will be G02. Understand? But if you are going, and then it will be G42 because the cutter is on the right hand side. But if you are going to do machining like this, like cutter is going like this, so G41, 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 so the cutter is coming like this. So in that case, it will be ulta, counterclockwise. So remember, G02 and G03 for the same arc, it can be G02, G03. It depends upon the direction of the path followed by the cutter. That is what you have to remember. The same is here also. Like suppose if you are going now here, G41. G41 is nothing but cutter offset on the left hand side. If you are going like this, then the direction will be this way. That is counterclockwise. Counterclockwise. So it will be G03. That is what you have to remember. Hmm. So you show your program 0 point, X0, Y0 here, show Z0 here at this point, and then prepare a table. Now here you will need two tools. So one tool you can use diameter 20 or diameter 30 end mill, and second thing you can use drill. Hmm. So drill dia 10. So the table has to be prepared. Remember, table has to be prepared because here if you don't write in the comment, then the examiner doesn't understand what is your tool number one is. Now again there are some mistakes in the program. Hmm. So which I will request you to write it down or note it down. Now here G21. So instead of G21, you write now G21 is what? Is it millimeter or inches? It is millimeter. So some control it is G21, some control it is G71. That is for the millimeter. Then G98. So G28, G98. G98 you have seen that we use in the CAN cycle. Hmm, That is returned to the R position. So we are using G98 and G99. So if it is G98, it will be lifted up little higher, and if it is G99, that means it will be lifted to the R point. You can study, you can again refresh the CAN cycle and you will come to know. Now here there is no mistake. If you want, you can write down the block number, but you must enter dot here. Dot means end of the block. So nowhere dot is mentioned. Hmm? So you must either write a dot or you must write a star. In the beginning you can write that this is for the Fanuc. So if it is for the Fanuc, you write a dot. In the beginning, if you write this is for the Siemens, then you can write the star. Now here there is a mistake G28X0Y0Z0. This is nothing but the reference return to the reference point. You must mention G91 because G28 is always associated with the G91. So please write here G91. So G28 G91 X0Y0Z0 dot. It means it is at the reference point. That means in between, suppose anywhere, suppose if the tool is left here, then it will go to the reference point. Let us say reference point is here. Why we have to take it to the reference point? Because the tool change. Yesterday I showed you the videos. The tool changer, tool magazine, the tool change cannot happen anywhere. It happens at the fixed position, and that is what is called as the reference point or the home position. So you need to take. So now M06 T0101. Now this is another style of giving the offset. Another style of, now this is M06 means tool change, which will happen at a reference point in tool number 1, and it will take the offset from 1, that is D01. So here further you will not see D for Delhi. That has been taken care here only. So if it is tool number 1 and 02, it means what? The tool number 1 tool change will happen and it will take the offset from D02. So for one tool, you can have infinite number of offset. You can write the offset for tool number 1 in D01, in D02, D03. But it is that offset for the tool number 1 is mentioned in D01. Offset for tool number 2 is mentioned in D02. So that there is no mistake. Hmm? And at the most, there are only two offsets required. One offset is diameter offset and another offset is length offset. So in the tool library, against the tool number 1, uh, you will see under the column, you will see one column for the diameter, you will see another column for the length. So you have to just type in the length and diameter over there, and that will be read when this command is read by the control M06 T0101. So either you can write T0101 or you can write M06 T01, and later on you can say in the next block you can say D01. So that means it will take the offset from 1. Now next is M03 S100. So M03 is nothing but spindle start. Spindle start in clockwise direction. So spindle will rotate in clockwise direction. If it is M04, then spindle will rotate in counterclockwise direction. If it is M04. then followed by M08. M08 is nothing but the coolant on. So now here the coolant will start. Now remember here, if you write M03 S100 and M08, it will be a mistake. You will lose mark because no two M codes are allowed in a single block. So M codes, you cannot have two M codes or more than one M codes in a single block. You can have a number of G codes, multiple G codes in the same block, but you cannot have multiple M codes. You cannot have more than one M code in a single block. So that's why M08 has to be written in the separate block. Then G00, X0, Y0, Z5. Now X0, Y0, let us say it is here, okay, and Z5. So Z0 is here. This is 10 mm thick plate. Z5, that means 5 mm above the workpiece. So it is safe and it will come rapidly. Then next block is X minus 10, Y 10. So X minus 10, that means X0, Y0 is here. So X minus 10 is here. That means center line and this line, there is a difference of 10 mm. उसका double करेंगे तो it will be 20. So that means here you cannot use more than 20 dia cutter. If you use say 22 dia cutter, then it is going to dash this workpiece. If there is no chamfer, rough chamfer, suppose if it is a rectangle and if you are using 22 dia cutter, then spindle center line and this edge will be 10, but the cutter radius is 11, so it is going to dash. So that care you have to take. So here comfortably you can use diameter 18 cutter, or if you want to use a bigger diameter cutter, then you shift this entry point x minus 15. X minus 15 means maximum distance is 30. 15 to the 13. So you can use slightly less 28 dia cutter or 25 dia cutter. And y10, so y10, that is x minus 10 and y10. Okay, so I think this distance is also mostly 10. It is not mentioned. Let us see. So x minus 10 and y10. So that now the cutter is somewhere here. यहाँ पे G42. G42 is nothing but on the right hand side. Then G01 Z minus 10. So it is now going down 10 mm because the thickness is 10 mm. Again here we are assuming that the workpiece is kept on a parallel block. Below this, it is parallel block is not protruding out of this boundary. Parallel block is not exactly below the drilled hole, this hole also, because suppose if the parallel block is protruding out, then when you are doing external milling, then it is going to cut the parallel block. If it is exactly, if it happens to come below the holes, then the drill is going to dash. So these are the assumptions which are necessary when you are doing when you are looking into the practical aspects. You cannot simply rest it on a table, because when the cutter goes down, it's going to touch the table also, so it is going to cut the table also. So you have to uh, keep the workpiece on a parallel block. Small G42. So now x10 y0. So now from here it's going to come. So I think this distance is 10 mm. So now from here, now it is on the right hand side. So earlier the cutter was here. Okay. So now the cutter will come this way. So x10 and y0. Then it will move to this point, that is x80. See, it is in G90. So it is, see, nowhere it is mentioned G90. So if in the earlier program, or if it is in the buffer G91, then there will be problem. So that's why it is always safe that the first block should be G90, G40, G80. These three codes you must remember. G90 is absolute, G40 is offset cancellation, diameter offset cancellation, and G80 is can cycle cancellation. Hmm. That is what is called as the SAFE program. So we are here now x80, that is this point x80. Then now x90 and y10. You have to assume this distance also y10. This is also y10. So it is at 45 degree. It is not given explicitly. So assume this chamfer to be 45 degrees. So that means this distance is also y10. So now what is this point? 10 plus 70, 80 plus 10, 90, and this distance is 10. So x90 and y10. So at the end of this block, the cutter is over here. So this point is, now you have to just give these points only. You don't have to manually calculate because you are using G42 offsets. So depending upon the diameter, the control will offset the tool. But you don't have to worry about the diameter. You have to simply keep on giving this point. So it is simple. So x10, y0, के बाद x80, x90, y10. So here now from here now arc will start. Now the cutter is going like this. So it is clockwise. Alright, clockwise circular interpolation. So for that the code is G02. So G02, and what is the syntax? You need to give the endpoints and you need to give the radius. So endpoint for this so is this, and that is x120. Alright, and what will be y distance will be, now this center is on this line, so that is here and here. So this distance is 30 exactly. This is 90 degree. So this is 30 plus this is 10, so it will be 40. So the endpoints will be x120 and y40, but the control will not understand. So you need to give the radius also. So r30. So now next command is, now this radius is done. Now next command is cutter is going to go like this. So this is the endpoint. So that is x120 and y will be, this is 40 and this is 40. So y is 80. So x120, y80. Alright. So now what has been done here? G00 x1 here. After doing this G02, G00 x120, y80 and z5. So the cutter is lifted up. Cutter is lifted up 5 mm above the workpiece. And where the cutter goes at this point, that is x120 and y80 here. So let us see what happens. Then G00 x60 y80, x60 y80. So now where is your x60 ka point? So this is 30, this is 20, and this is 60. So here it is. That means again there is a mistake here. So what is the mistake? We are doing this measuring. So this is what you have to be careful. So after G02, you have to give here G01. Okay, G01. So the cutter will go from here x120 y80, and there are two mistakes here. Instead of G00, there should be G01, and this Z phi is wrong. This Z phi means it is going to lift up. Alright. So this you have to cancel Z phi. And instead of G00, please write G01. So now at the end of this block, the cutter is here, X120 and Y80. Then again G01. Now Y is at 80, so and X is 60. So now this machining. So again here there is a mistake. Instead of G00, you now write G01 or you write G01. That is also fine. But for the safety purpose, you write G01. So G01 X60 Y80. Again this Z is not required. Then now next is this machining. This. So what will be this machining? G01 X remains at 60. How the 60? 30 plus this 20 plus this 10. So 30 plus 20, 50 plus 10, 60. So X 60. What will be Y? Now this is at 80. So 80 minus 10. This is 10. So this point is 70. So this point is X 60. That is this. Y 70. That is this. Alright. And then Z minus 10. But we are already at Z minus 10. Okay. Now this 2 3 blocks where we have lifted up is applicable in case if you don't want to machine these two sides, if you don't want to machine these two. But in the question what is given that you have to machine the entire profile. Okay, as per this program we are not going to machine this, but we have to machine this. So that's why we'll say G01 G01 continue, then यहाँ तक आएंगे. Then next block. Right, so what is the next block now? This X50 G01 X50 and Y will be 70 and Z is minus 10. No need to give minus 10, there is no point 2. Now point 2 it will take as per earlier. Now here there is one more mistake I noticed. You need to you need to give code G95 also. G95. So G95 is millimeter per revolution. Because this period is 0.2 millimeter per revolution, it will not understand whether to take millimeter per revolution or millimeter per minute. So you need to give G95. So in the first block, you can add where you are written G80, G90, G40. So there you write G95 also. Then control will understand that it is millimeter per revolution. Otherwise, it will give the error. And remember, whenever you are doing G01 and whenever you are using 0.2 millimeter per revolution, you have to start the spindle because G95 is millimeter per revolution. So revolutions must, the spindle must rotate, isn't it? If the spindle doesn't rotate, then this millimeter per revolution will not happen. So it will give you the syntax error. So if you are using G95 and if you are using millimeter per revolution, see that you start you switch on the spindle, that is M600. Switch on the spindle before you give the feed. Before you use this G01 F.2, you must start the, otherwise it will give the error. So we were here now at this point. यहाँ पे. So what is this X 30 plus 20, that is 50, and Y is how much? Y is 70. So that is nothing but this G01 X50 Y70. Now here again G01 is not required, already defined. X50 you need to mention because the machining is going like this. Y70 is not required because already defined. Z is not required, F is not required. So you can simply say instead of this 5 words, you can simply say X50. So X50 means it will come here. Now the direction is like this. So it is going to be a clockwise interpolation. So clockwise interpolation is nothing but G02. So what is the end point here? X30. Then Y will be 50. This 40 and this 10 and R will be 20. Let us see. So G02 X30 correct, Y50 that is also correct, and Z minus 10 not required. And then here R20. So this radius is 20 which is required. So this now radius interpolation is also done. इसके बाद now this. Now here once the G02 is done, you must write G01. Otherwise, if you don't write G01, it will consider it as a G02. And since the radius is not mentioned in this block, it will give the error. What do you say? So now G01 it will move this. So what is the coordinate of this point? 0 y50. So x0 y50. G01 is must, z is not required, f is not required. In case if you want to change the field, that is from machining to here or here to here, if you want to change the field, then you can write. But if you are using the same field, then it is not required. And there is no reason, I find there is no reason to keep on changing the feed rates. Feed rates, change in feed rates is applicable when, like, suppose if this portion is soft, then go fast. If this portion is hard, then go slow. So like that it is not, because this is a homogeneous material. बराबर ना? ऐसा नहीं कि यहाँ पे it is this part is MS, this part is coated carbide, this part is not coated. So अभी ये हो गया G01 X0. Now X0 Y50 हो गया. Then now here again there is a mistake. You need to machine this. यहाँ पे क्या किया है, X0 Y50 पे आ गए यहाँ पे, ओके. एंड देन डायरेक्टली रैपिड में टूल को उठाया, G00 X-10 Y0 Z5, रैपिडली टूल को उठाया अबो द वर्क पीस और -0, मतलब यहाँ पे लेके आए स्टार्ट पॉइंट पे. ये मशीनिंग हुआ ही नहीं. सो आफ्टर दिस, दैट इज X0 Y50, you machine this. So your is G01 X0 and Y10, because this has been already done. So you must say G01 X0 Y10. यहाँ पे you need to add, please add one more black here. इसके बाद, ये ब्लॉक के बाद you add one more block G01 X0 Y10. So that is machining of this. Then you can take cutter X-10 Y0 Z5, तीनों मूवमेंट साथ में. X-10 Y0 Z5, मतलब tool will be lifted up, it will move to -10 and it will move to Y0, that is here. And diameter offsets. This is a repetitive block. This is the same default. Now cancel the diameter offset. So our next step is to the reference position. So now here, what is been done now? G00 X3 Y20 Z5. So where is that? G20 X20 and Y20 Z5 is this. So they are using the same end mill for, which is not correct, which is not possible. Practically, it is not possible. Means diameter 10 end mill they are using for external profiling, and same end mill they are using for drilling, which is possible. You cannot use end mill for the drilling, but here it has been done like this. So immediately the examiner will understand that the student or the program which is written, or the programmer, he has zero knowledge of machining. See, if you don't have knowledge of programming, it is acceptable. But as an engineer, you know how the things will happen, isn't it? So blindly, like somebody who is a owner of grocery shop, जो vegetable बेच रहा है, or who has knowledge of D codes and M codes, he is writing this program. Who doesn't know ABCD of the machining? ऐसा हो गया. So, but let us understand what has been written here. So that is another biggest mistake in this program. So now from here, it goes to this G00 X20 Y20, that is this position. Then Z5 say is going down. So that means he is doing drill with the help of an end mill of diameter 10. So G01 Z -10. Then हो गया -10 तक गया. Then you have to ensure that नीचे इसके नीचे parallel block नहीं है, otherwise it will dash the parallel block. Then again इसको उठाया G00 Z5 rapidly, okay, 5 mm above the surface. Then it goes to this now X20 plus 40. So 20 plus 40, the coordinate of this will be X60 and Y20. X60 and Y20, which is given here, and Y20. So G01 Z -10 0.2, again cutter को उठाया Z5, now is going here. So now 20 40 60 plus 40 100. So इसका X coordinate 100 हो गया, and Y coordinate will be total distance is 80 minus 10, so 70. So x 100 and y 70. बराबर again go down z minus 10 f.2 and z5. यहाँ पे प्रोग्राम रुका है. हाँ? So this is very bad. So pin cutter for drilling. Second thing is G0 Z5 के बाद छोड़ दिया. Afterwards you have to say M05, that pull and stop. Then next block you have to say M09, that sorry M05 is spindle stop. Then you have to say M09, that is nothing but a pull and stop. Then you have to take to the reference point, that is G28, G90, Y0, Z0. Your program should start with G28, G90, Z0 and should end with G20, G91, X0, Y0. That means the tool is at the parking position. गाड़ी जहाँ से निकाला वहां से वापस रख दिया, ऐसा है. And then followed by M30, which is very much essential. M30, so that it is reset and revert. Now suppose if you want to use, now this program is wrong, नीचे वाला. So you need to use 81, that is drilling cycle. So after this now, यहाँ इसके बाद how to write the program, so that you can write it. I will tell you इसके बाद how the program should be. Now once this milling is done, that is you are here G4 and then Z5. So इसके बाद after what you have to do, you have to reference it. So after this block you write G28, G91, X0, Y0, Z0. After this block, that means your machine will go to the reference point, and in the same blocks you can write M06 T2, M06 T2, that is tool number 2. Tool number 2 is drill. Okay. So once you write that block, in that block, what will happen? The tool will go to the reference point and the tool change will happen. Tool number 2 will come. Then from that, you bring that over here. So you say G00, okay, X20 and Y20 and say D02. D02 means what? It will take the offset from the tool line which is mentioned in D02. Then next block we can say M03S 1000. That is you calculate that M03S 1000. Then M08 coolant चालू हो. Okay. Now bring the tool rapidly to Z. So G00 Z5 and it is at X20 and Y20. Now you can use cycle G81, that is the drilling cycle. So next block you have to write G81, X20 and Z minus 10. It is good practice that you give some extra, because the drill has a point. So considering the point as 3 mm, you can calculate using trigonometry. Instead of Z minus 10, you say Z minus 30. So G81, X20, Y20, Z minus 30. So the drilling will happen here, and at the end of this drilling, the drill will come to a position of Z5. Then you say G81, X60, Y20. Next block में, so simple. And then उसके next block में you say G81, X100, Y70. Points. First is your G81, X20, Y20. Next is G81, X60, Y20. उसके बाद G81, X100 and Y70. Even if you don't write G81, यहाँ पे लिखा है G81, X20, Y20. Here it is not required to write G81 also. You can simply say X60. G81 it will understand from the previous block. Y20 it will understand from the previous block. Z minus 30 will understand from the previous block. Feed also it will understand from the previous block. उसके बाद आप खाली लिखो X 100 and Y changing. So you need to give Y also. So X 100 and Y 70. Once this is done, drilling is done, then you must write G80. That is drilling cycle cancel. So G80. उसके बाद next block में, or you can in the G80 itself you can write G80 M05. That means drill cycle cancel and spindle stop M05. उसके बाद आप लिखो M09 coolant stop. See, there is no hard and fast rule. You can stop the coolant first and then you can stop the spindle anyway. Then G80 M09 on top, then next block में M05, then you take the tool to the reference position G28, G91, X0, Y0, Z0, and then say M09. So in order to avoid the copying as it is, that's why purposely some mistakes are done in the program so that uh, copying doesn't happen. But because what happens when if I ask students to submit assignment, then they will simply copy it and submit it, without thinking. But you are lucky that in manufacturing processes you don't have any term work. Then we have 4 more programs. Milling ka, this is a slot milling and then drilling has been used, and then later on we will go for turning programs. Right. So if you have any doubt, you please ask. Otherwise, you can enjoy your break.